Hello, I'm Teacher John. Today we are going to learn about two-dimensional shapes, or simply 2D shapes. Before we begin our lesson, I just want to ask, what do you know about shapes? Can anyone name me a shape, please? A circle, a triangle, a square, a rectangle. Very good.
Two-dimensional or 2D shapes are flat. They are called two-dimensional because they only have two dimensions, length and width. Shapes have certain features that help us work out exactly what type of shape they are. These features include sides and corners. We get different kinds of shapes depending on how many sides and corners they have. But what are sides and corners? A straight line in a 2D shape is called a side. A corner is where two sides meet. A corner can also be called a vertex. Did you know that there is a family of shapes called quadrilaterals? Quad means four, so this means the quadrilateral family is made up of all those shapes that have four sides and four corners. But each quadrilateral shape has small differences that make them unique from each other. Let's have a look at these quadrilateral shapes. This is a square. Here are its four sides and its four corners. Each side of a square is the same length as the other sides. The square also has sides that are parallel. What does parallel mean? If two sides are parallel, it means that they are always the same distance from each other and will never touch. This shape is a rectangle. Can you see its four sides and four corners? Rectangles have two pairs of sides that are the same length and opposite to each other. These sides are also parallel. This interesting shape is called a rhombus. It can also be called a diamond. A rhombus looks like a square that's leaning to the side, doesn't it? Here are its four sides and its four corners. Each side is the same length. The rhombus has its opposite sides parallel too. If you've ever flown a kite before, this shape might look very familiar to you. The name of this shape is, you guessed it, a kite. It still has four sides and four corners and has two pairs of sides that are the same length. An interesting fact about kites is that they can never have parallel sides. Can you see how the shape of a kite is different from a rhombus? Remember, all four sides of a rhombus are the same length, while a kite has two pairs of sides and each pair has the same length. Now that we've had a look at the quadrilateral family, let's introduce some other shapes that are a little different. This is a triangle. All triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. This is easy to remember because tri means 3. A circle is a round shape formed by a curved line, where any point on this line is always the same distance from the center. Circles have no corners and no sides. There are many different types of shapes. These are just a few of them. Can you spot any of these 2-dimensional shapes around your classroom?
Alright, next question is, what can you say on those figures that you named? First, someone says a circle. So what is a circle? It is a round, plain figure. That's right. Next is a triangle. What is a triangle? It is a plain figure with 3 straight sides. Nice answer. Next is a square. What is a square? It is a plain figure that has 4 straight equal sides. Good answer. Last is a rectangle. So what is a rectangle? It is a plain figure having 4 straight and equal sides. Good job, students. Okay, this time I will group you into 5 and please prepare a paper and a pencil. I am going to watch a video about 2D shapes, and while watching, you are going to write the 5 names of the 2D shapes, write how many vertices, and write how many sides on each shape. Do you understand? Are you ready to watch the video? Okay, let's begin.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Channel!
2D shapes, 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? Let's learn today. Sides are the straight lines that form the shape. Vertices are the corners that the 2 lines make. Let's move and count the sides and vertices of these 2D shapes. This is a trapezoid. Let's move and count the sides of a trapezoid. 1, 2, 3, 4. A trapezoid has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a trapezoid. 1, 2, 3, 4. A trapezoid has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a pentagon. Let's move and count the sides of a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pentagon has 5 vertices and 5 sides. This is a hexagon. Let's move and count the sides of a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 vertices and 6 sides. This is an octagon. Let's move and count the sides of an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octagon has 8 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octagon has 8 vertices and 8 sides. This is an oval. Let's move and count the sides of an oval. An oval has 0 sides, but has 1 curved line. Let's move and count the vertices of an oval. An oval has 0 vertices, but has 1 curved line. An oval has 0 sides and vertices. 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices we learned today? Let's be friends. Place your mouse on my guitar and click the red subscribe button. Also, you can click this icon to visit my website. And click on one of these boxes to see more fun educational videos.
Okay, so this time, please get your cell phone and let's play a game on Bluecat. Please type Bluecat in a search bar, and once you are there, type the join in code, which is 8662044, and wait. Read the questions and choose the right answer by tapping. Alright, let's see if who answers fast and who's on the top list. Let's begin. So the fastest student who answered is Anakin. Congratulations. Now let us compare figures or shapes. As you learned about this lesson, on your paper, please draw two shapes and compare each other, okay? For example, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices, while a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. Easy, right? Okay, now you do it. The next activity, get your cell phone and go to Google. And there, I want you to find at least 5 pictures, show it to the class, and say what 2D shape does it look like. For example, this is a pizza and it has a circle shape. Can you do it? Go! Okay, and for the last activity, please get your mathematics book and open it on page 87. You can see the exercise and the instruction there. And please write the names of the 2D shapes. You can look at the page 85 if you don't know the word, okay? Please write neatly with the correct letters. Alright? I hope you learn a lot about shapes, and we're done for today. See you next meeting. Bye.